Making tough choices, understanding a difficult decision. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might come across in English conversations, stories, or even in movies: a difficult decision. Understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of English language better and express complex feelings and situations more accurately. So, let's get started. A difficult decision refers to a choice that is not easy to make. This could be because the options involve outcomes that are uncertain, have significant consequences, or require a sacrifice of some kind. The word difficult highlights the complexity and the challenges involved in making the decision, while decision points to the act of choosing between two or more options. There are several reasons why a decision might be considered difficult. It often involves high stakes. The outcome has significant impact on one's life or on the lives of others. Moral dilemmas, choosing between right and wrong, or between two rights or two wrongs, where the lines are not clearly drawn. Emotional costs. The decision may lead to emotional distress, such as guilt, regret, or sadness. Lack of information. Not having enough information to make an informed choice can complicate the decision-making process. Understanding these aspects can help you empathize with characters in stories or real people who are facing tough choices, and can also aid in describing your own experiences more vividly in English. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in context. Personal life. Choosing whether to move to a new city for a job offer, which means leaving family and friends behind. Professional scenarios. Deciding to leave a secure job to start your own business, with the risk of failure. Moral decisions. Having to choose whether to tell a friend an uncomfortable truth or protect their feelings by keeping quiet. These examples show that difficult decisions are a part of everyday life and can range from personal to professional and ethical dilemmas. We hope this video has helped you understand what a difficult decision means and how you can use this phrase in various contexts. Remember, making decisions, especially the difficult ones, is a part of life that everyone experiences. Sharing these experiences in English allows us to connect with others on a deeper level. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting aspects of the English language.